In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to gain access to your snot-in gutter when you're ready to do some cleaning. This particular one is Amerimax brand, and this is a before picture, and this is afterwards. But it's very easy. All you gotta do is remove this lip or kind of push it backwards, and it comes off very easily. Slide your hands along and it shouldn't be a problem. But when you've gained access to it, all you need to do is either use your hand, there's some kind of scoop and a leaf blower afterwards, or you can even rinse it out with a hose. But that's about it. It's nothing to be intimidated by. It's very easy. Let's go back to that first picture, and here you can see that there's a whole bunch of moss and different debris on it. And what that does is when it rains, the water just pours over the mesh itself and it's pretty much ineffective. So if you can get all that off, you should be able to get it running like the way it was when you first installed it.